Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice yummy. Use day-old, cold rice for the best results. It prevents stickiness and ensures a perfect texture. Jasmine or other long-grain white rice varieties are ideal. Make sure to fluff your cooked rice thoroughly before adding it to the pan. This simple step helps each grain get coated evenly with flavor. The secret to truly delicious fried rice is high heat. Get your wok or skillet smoking hot before adding any ingredients. Use an oil with a high smoke point, such as peanut or canola oil, to prevent burning. Cook your ingredients in small batches to ensure they sear quickly and don't steam. This technique creates those wonderful crispy bits and prevents a soggy dish. Building layers of flavor is crucial for yummy fried rice. Start by sautéing aromatics like minced garlic and fresh ginger until fragrant. Then, introduce your main seasonings, a good quality soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce for depth, or even a dash of fish sauce for umami. Just before serving, a small drizzle of toasted sesame oil adds a fantastic aromatic finish. For a balanced and delicious fried rice, prepare your proteins and vegetables thoughtfully. Cook any meats or seafood, such as chicken or shrimp, separately until just done, then set them aside. Chop your vegetables into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Add quick-cooking vegetables like peas or scallions towards the end to retain their vibrant color and crisp texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.